Hello everyone, this is Adam with Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Profitec Pro 500. It came into the shop because it wasn't heating. This is a heat exchanger machine with PID controlled boiler, and it uses this solid state relay. And it's a semiconductor device. It tends to heat up. It tends to produce a lot of heat when it's switching on and off. And a lot of times these just tend to fail, either causing the boiler to overheat or not heat at all. So yeah, you can kind of see, if I get closer here, there's some cracks caused by the heat. So that's some heat damage there. So what we ended up doing is just replacing the relay, and and that ended up solving the issue. So as you can see here, the light's on, we're at pressure. And you can see the PID right here. It's at 251, and that's the steam, and that's the boiler temperature. So that won't be the brew temperature because it's a heat exchanger. Then I'm just gonna do a test shot real quick. I'll be back. So I've just put some coffee in the portafilter. This is our test coffee. It's we don't have it dialed in or anything. This is just to demonstrate, the machine works and produces a hot cup of coffee. So here we go. Here we go. Looks like it might be a little fast. And I'm just gonna stop right there. So here we have it. Hot cup of coffee. The pump works good. Yeah, that's about it. Thank you for watching.